Looking to downgrade your Elementor version? In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step, making it easy to get back to the version that suits your needs best. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. To begin, open your browser and go to your WordPress site's admin panel. On the left-hand side, click Elementor and then choose Tools. Next, head over to the Version Control tab at the top of the page. Here, you'll find options to revert both Elementor and Elementor Pro. Select the version you want under Rollback Version and click Install. Once the installation is complete, you can click Go to Plugin page to head to the Plugins section, where you'll see that Elementor has been successfully rolled back. And that's it. You've now rolled back Elementor. If you're ready to bring your website ideas to life, Elementor is the perfect tool to get started. I use it myself, so feel free to grab it through my affiliate link and let your creativity soar. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.